For this macaroni salad, of course, we're going to need some pasta. I'm going to be using this large elbow macaroni. And we're going big. Cook your pasta 8 to 10 minutes or, according to the package, your desired tenderness. I'm not going to be chopping my carrot. I'm going to start off by just giving a shred. This not only makes it quick and easy, but it brings different textures to your mac salad because you don't want everything diced and all square. It just brings different taste out, I feel, as far as when you have different textures. That was a large carrot, so I'm going to be taking probably just half of this right here, and I'm going to add it to my bowl. And this I don't think I will need. I'm going to take off the bottom of the celery and or the root, whatever you want to call it, and just a bit of the top right here. I'm going to slice these really, really thin. Not too thin, but you just want enough to where you feel that little bit of crunch and get the taste of the celery. One and a half celery stalks are going to be good. You're looking for equal amounts of carrot and celery. I have 1/2 of a purple onion. I'm just going to cut it like this. I'm just going to slice it as thin as possible. You're going to want to just take it and cut it one more time like that. And just continue to slice it as thin as you could get it. Add the purple onion to the bowl. We have our celery, our purple onion, our carrots, and now we're going to be adding the pasta. The pasta is room temperature, and never rinse your pasta. You want your pasta nice and tacky, so whatever you're going to dress it with is going to stick to it. Now we're going to add our Miracle Whip or mayonnaise. When it comes to the Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, you're more than welcome to use whichever one you like best. So I do have 1 heaping cup of Miracle Whip right here. I have some jalapeno mustard. This is the Winco brand, but you could find jalapeno mustard in all different brands, I believe, as far as I know. But this one's pretty good. It tastes the same as anything else. But if you want to use regular mustard, go ahead. But this just, gives it that extra little boost of flavor. And I actually am a big fan of it. So I'm going to do 1 heaping teaspoon of that. I'm going to be using some dill relish, not sweet relish. This is dill relish. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. I have my Miracle Whip that's bringing out the sweetness. So I just want a bit of dill in my life because this just makes it taste really, really good. So I'm going to do 2 heaping tablespoons of that. Original dash. I'm going to add some smoked paprika, some sea salt, some pepper. Give everything a nice mix. Don't forget to top it off with some smoked paprika. In the refrigerator, it goes for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let it set, and then you have a really, really delicious side salad for whatever meal you want to add it to. Or you could have it on its own. If you're looking for a quick and easy side to any hot dog, hamburger, steak, or even ribs, whatever you want to pair it with, it's going to taste good. It's delicious. Make this, try it out. You're going to love it, and I'll see you in my next video.